how are you this morning? It's a day after my birthday. Today's Monday. As you see, I still have my balloons in the back. So today I just learned, I started homeschooling with Kai. He's actually done with his work, but we're gonna go over it together when I get back, because I went online this morning and saw that today is registration for summer starting. And so I want to get in so I can get help and get them a spot. So I'm on the move, you guys. I am out and about. I printed off the applications at home. I already got them filled out, so I'm heading out to turn them in. Today is February 7th, a day after my birthday. So I want to go and get those turned in. You guys, I don't like to wait to the last minute. I don't like to procrastinate. So now is the time, and it's 11 o'clock. So yeah, you guys, I'm one of those people. Are you one of those people who, when you have something to do or got to get something done, you want to just get it done? You know, I like to just knock things off my list. And by the way, you guys, I had a wonderful birthday. And you guys, I thought it was, you know, I enjoyed my room, my stay, all the cards and the treats and the gifts that was inside the hotel room that they set up for me before I got there. But of course, my mom, she had a dinner. You know, my brother came over and my boys, all my boys. I have 4 gorgeous boys that God has blessed me with. And they all gave me beautiful birthday cards, beautiful gifts. So, you guys, I am flabbergasted. I am just ecstatic of the love that they showed me over this weekend for my birthday. So, yeah, you guys, so I'm just heading out. I'm on the highway trying to get these applications turned in for my 2 youngest boys. Doing the right thing, getting the 2 youngest in. You know, I think that'll be good for them. And Kai, I think he's already excited. He said, "Mama, you about to go to do my stuff for camp?" I said, "Yeah, Kai." So he's excited already. So I want to just finish up and do what I got to do, you guys. So I'm gonna focus because I am on a busy highway, but I wanted to let you guys know that I had a great birthday, and thank you to especially one of my subscribers. You're always commenting on our videos. You always show positivity, and if I can remember your name, I might butcher it, but excuse me, I apologize in advance. It's Kent Sable or Sabal. I appreciate that, and thank you for wishing me a happy birthday. You leave such lovely comments, and you know, and thank God we do get good comments. You know, we're just starting out, but I have got some negative ones, and I'm telling you, I'll be quick to block it. I'll be quick. If anything negative come that I don't like, or I don't, I block it. Some people say don't block it. Yeah, I block it. I do what I want to do, and it's just no time for that in my life or on our channel. That's not what we're about. So yeah. So I'm going to, well, now I'm off the house. I'm doing, you know what? Time is going by fast because I'm talking to you guys. Sorry about that light. You know, that sun is out bright, see? And I'm an early bird. I like to get up early, get my work done, knock it out. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, you guys. Like a light sweater, and actually, I have on one of my birthday outfits. My mom got me this lovely sweater, this beautiful top with teal in it, and I got on like these rose pink furry pants. So it looks pretty good, you know. And my mom, she has great taste like I do. I got my great taste from her. So yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you for joining me this morning, and thank you for celebrating my birthday with me. I appreciate it so much. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Mwah. Okay, you guys, I finished turning in the boys' application. So she said she'll send it in and she'll get it processed. So awesome. And you guys, I just wanted to show you, this is called the County Rec Administration's Office, and this is where you come if you want to sign your kids up for summer camp or to do anything like that. Book parties at different parks, playgrounds, sports. This is where you would come.